Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a baby Brezza formula dispenser, this is also a must-have. This is the replacement funnel and cap from baby Brezza. You definitely want to get this because it will make your life so much easier. You have to replace this after every 4th bottle that you make, and it is a hassle if you are trying to make that 5th bottle but your funnel is dirty and you have to wash it first. So you're gonna wanna have this to replace the dirty one so you can make that next bottle quickly for your fussy baby. Trust me, this is especially important in the middle of the night for those late night feedings. You want to be as quick as possible, so you're going to want to have an extra clean funnel ready to go. So if you have a baby Brezza, I highly recommend that you also purchase a funnel replacement and cover, because it's going to make your life so much easier, and it's also going to make your baby so much happier when you have that bottle for him or her ready in just seconds. And that's my point of view.